Dookie. Kinfolk. What's good with you? It's your boy PKNCSC where I stay. Man, I'm over here over there straight cooling like an acrobat, Dookie. Yeah. Happy Wednesday to you. Yeah, we done made it to Wednesday. We done made it to hump day. Got a little project going on right here. Let me show you what I got. That old trimmer rack. Straight from China. With that John Deere green. Yeah, buddy. That's straight up John Deere green. Can't deny that. Yeah. So let's put it together. We're gonna install this thing into a box truck eventually. But we're gonna put it together right now. Yeah, buddy. Yeah. Alright, here's what we got so far. Pretty much brackets on here. Top brackets. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, we got them things loosely installed or put together right now until we get in the truck. I won't be able to get into the truck maybe tomorrow. They're using the truck today, so it's loose as a goose. Alright, so we gotta leave that alone. I'll probably get them bolts up and paperwork, but we'll leave that alone. But we got more stuff to put together. I don't know what that is. Okay. I guess that's what that is. Sprack assembly instructions. This right here is for backpack sprayer. Yeah. There's something else in there I gotta put together. Oh, that's for weed eater string holder. Okay. So yeah, let's get on this whatever this is. Yeah. Alright. Here's the sprayer rack. Actually, this is a blower rack. Hold on, Jim. No, this is for the sprayer. This is for that sprayer, and this is for a blower. Brand new sprayer right there. All complete.